guys, welcome back to our channel. On today's vlog guys, let's cook. This one is potato. This one is meatless burger. Okay, this one is shrimp guys, fresh shrimp from India. Hello our friends from India. The shrimps from India is in Japan market, and as usual our favorite and imitation crab meat, or they call it here kani kama. Kani meaning to say crab. Okay, and ingredients: all-purpose flour, black pepper and salt, breadcrumbs, and the seasoning is this one: basil and oyster sauce. This one is quite simple but unique recipe. So watch until guys if how I prepare this, okay? And please do subscribe for those who did not already subscribe, and click notification bell so that you can notify every time I have new upload. And this one guys is slicer at the same time. There's not only slicing but guys, but it could be sliced like this, okay, thin long slice, but we should cut that in a freely size so that we could make a perfect burger patty. Okay, this is the first process that we should do by preparing this. You can use also a grinder, but too much small or too much too much small is not good. You cannot enjoy the texture of the what do you call this is potato. Okay, so better this should weigh, or you can slice in your own desired size. Okay, then I will continue this process guys. Look, I will continue this process, and please do watch with me until end. Okay, I'm sure I could share another recipe, original recipe guys, from my kitchen. Okay, most of the recipe that I share to YouTube is my original recipe. Okay, and I also enjoying watching your recipes in your home guys. I love cooking guys. Cooking is my passion. Okay, then keep watching guys. And here is our finished product guys. Since this one is quite long, you can freely slice or cut so that the potato would be easily to form into burger. Okay, in this way or any kind of way do you like, but for me this way is okay. Okay, freely cut, slice and cut, or you can grind it, but as I've said, too much small or small, you cannot enjoy the texture of the potato. Okay, and here it is guys, something like this. Okay, we should preserve the texture of the potato. And the next is the shrimp. You can cut or you can slice, it's up to you, but for me slice or cut something like this so that we can enjoy also the texture. You can use grinder if you want, but for me I would like to do this because the purpose is to enjoy the texture of the shrimp. Okay, I love food with lots of what they call this, I love the foods that we can enjoy the texture so that we can recognize, oh, this one is shrimp and this one is potato. Okay, something like that. I enjoy cooking, and also I enjoy eating. That's why I choose this way. Okay, it's take time, but this way is have a good purpose for me. Okay, and on this way, the shape of the shrimp is still recognizable. Okay, that's the purpose why I used to I choose to cut or using scissor or even knife. You can also use the knife or what, but for me this way is a very good way. Okay, and please do watching guys until end, and I will continue this process guys, and keep do watching. Okay, and the shrimp is already sliced or cut. Let's follow now the imitation crab meat or kanikama in a very simple way. Just also cut freely. This one is very tasteful. Okay, deep umami. So you don't need to add any lots of seasoning to make it more delicious. Just only add this and you can enjoy the deep umami of your recipe or menu. Okay, then add to potato and the shrimp. Okay, smells so good, guys. Then for our secret recipe or secret ingredients is mayonnaise. Okay, potato, shrimp, crab meat is perfect for mayonnaise. And let's add the seasoning, guys. Basil powder, dried basil, and oyster sauce to taste. Not so much, it's up to you if you would like to add lots. Then black pepper and salt. Then let's add the breadcrumbs and the flour. Mix everything and make it tasteful, okay, and delicious. Use your hand to make sure make sure that the ingredients is evenly mixed. Okay, this is our meatless burger patty for today. Smells so good, even it's still raw because of the crab meat and the mayonnaise in one. A very tempting and inviting smell. Okay guys, I will continue mix. And here it is, guys. Let's form it into burger, guys, in this way, because since this one is not meat, it's not easy to form. So in this way we can form it in a burger shape. Okay, and the potato is quite sticky, so by putting some oil while turning it, it will form into perfect burger shape. Okay, idea. You can learn new idea if how to make this in a perfect shape. Okay, perfect shape of burger in a very slow fire, guys, because our recipe have mayonnaise, so it's easy to turn into burn. Okay, so in a very slight and very low fire. Okay, since our potato is raw, so we should careful by using fire. Okay, then let's flip this one. Oh yes, it's quite delicious, right? It's quite similar to hash brown, but this hash brown, guys, is lots of ingredients with shrimp, with what they call this, with crab meat and spices. Not ordinary hash brown. This one is potato burger. Okay, so you can enjoy it with bread or a muffin, or you can enjoy it in your side dish or main dish because there's a shrimp. Then yun, guys, please keep watching, guys, and let's see the finish. If how many pieces we should cook for 5 pieces of regular potato fries. Then watch until the end, okay? So here it is, guys, the product of our meatless burger using muffin bread. So I hope you enjoy our meatless burger home cook. So here it is, guys, our finish of our recipe meatless burger patty. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my simple recipe of potato burger patty. So until next vlog, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.